Welcome back, continuing the news. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a Good Samaritan who is opening additional doors at the Revival Primary School in Sheffield, Westmoreland by constructing an infant department. Ground was broken for the development recently. Kimberly Petty reports.
They say education is the key to unlocking doors, and that's why Father Colin King feels so passionate about giving every child an opportunity to learn.
Within education, having a solid foundation is critical. Is that if students come to us not knowing letters or numbers or things like that, it only makes it more difficult within the education system. So our need is to make sure that from the very youngest age, the students have good education and a good foundation. And this should allow this to be able to occur in our community and at large.
Father King, who is also chairman of the Revival Primary School, later sought donors for the project. And when the Radisa Foundation heard about the initiative, they were willing to help.
Just coming to vacation with my darling wife 2.5 years ago, Father Colin being a friend, I asked him to take us around the areas to show us the conditions and the work that he's doing. And after seeing, the goodness that everything Jamaica has to offer in some of the poorer conditions, we thought we can help out, especially just perfect timing. He has a school, he wanted to add to the school, and it's what we do back in the States. It's kind of just do construction management.
The US $1.3 million project will see a newly built infant department, 3 primary school classrooms, and a bathroom. The project is expected to take 14 months. Residents are elated about the school's expansion as their children have had to travel long distances to school.
Well, we kind of feel happy and glad because sometimes it's kind of difficult. And when rainfall or storm come, people them can't go to school. They have to just wait till the time get back dry and things. So we're glad for it.
This has been in the making 4 years now, and to finally see this event, groundbreaking, it is really, really an exciting feeling. And we just can't wait.
Come January 2026, the school will be welcoming close to 100 students. With your Ray of Hope, I'm Kimberly Petty.